Welcome to the KORI Whiskey glass unboxing. I ordered 3 whiskey glasses from a Japanese company called, let's see here, KORI Whisky. Um, I ordered these glasses because the glasses I currently have, I feel like they're too small. Hopefully these are a bit bigger. Um, Tag us in your phone and receive 20% off your next purchase. Well, we'll see about that. I got 3 glasses here. I don't even know if you could see what that says. It's hard. Yeah, it's just a code, like a UPC symbol. I think that the box is like a basala wood. Um, this is transparent L. I don't even know. So there's some weight to these glasses here. Let's take this one out. Wow, this one doesn't. This one wasn't wrapped. That's weird. I guess we'll start with this one. The box appears to be a bit damaged. Whatever. I didn't buy the box, but as you can see, it's a bit damaged. Like I said, I'm not too concerned about the box. I bought the glass, the whiskey glass. Let's see how this is. Okay, it's wrapped. What do we got here? Oh, okay. This looks like a coaster. Put that over there so you guys can see that. Okay. Let's open this glass here. Which one is this? Yeah, the box is, I don't know. Whatever. Can't say too much about it. Like I said, I didn't order the box. I ordered the glass. Can I even close this? Jesus. It's like, especially, the box is like, there's only one way to close it. There you go. Okay. Here's one of the glasses that I got. Okay. This is a, whoa. Wow. This is pretty solid. It's one of the whiskey glasses I got. This one's big enough to put an ice ball. I have ice ball molds for it. So this is nice. Like it. Very nice. These ridges on here is a bit weird, but so there's one. You know what? Let's put this back in the bag. Just be safe, just in case I knock it down. I really do not want to break this. And for the hell of it, I think we're gonna put this back in here. Yeah. Okay. Let's get this one. It says transparent L. So let's get to opening this. Okay. Okay, opening this up. This one most likely has a coaster, I imagine, as well. Put that in the side there. Another coaster, very nice. Put these over here. Which one is this? I forgot like which ones I got. This one's, okay, this is interesting. I forgot like which ones I bought. Ooh, okay. Very nice. This one's got some weight to it. I like that. Can we just let it slide out over here? I'm not going to be able to obviously wrap this up. Okay, here we go. Try not to rip this. Well, you know what? It seems like I'm not going to be able to. Okay. This is a very like classic whiskey glass here. Very nice. I like this. It's got some heft to it. As you can see, it's got a little Japanese symbol there. Very nice. Very nice. We'll put this back in here, and I will open the final glass. Okay. Come on. Put that back there. Can I even fit this back in there? Okay, there we go. And we'll get the final glass. Here we go. This one is, I know which one this one is. It's the one that you could spin. So let's check this out. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. Sakura glass. This one says Hatsukumo. This one doesn't even have a name on it, like an English name. Okay. Put this back over here. Another, well, this one's got a piece of wood there. Okay. Let's open this one up. Ooh, this one has a book. A little book here. It's like more products to order here. I don't know if you could see that. So I guess this design won awards, maybe? And this right here. Yeah, I'll be hand washing all of my items here. Okay, put that back. Let's get the glass out. This one's a spinner glass, I think. Yeah, it is. Wow. This is a spinning one that I bought. What that means is you can actually spin this on a flat surface. We'll try it if we can. So you see, I don't know if you could see that, but it's got like a little curved edge right there. And very nice, very nice. Let's try it out. Oh wow, look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Amazing. So this concludes the unboxing video. You know what? I don't know if we have enough time on this video to do this, but let's try it for the hell of it. This one's right here. Get this one out. I packed this one back up. Might as well just unbox all of them. Probably gonna wash all these and start using them. So here we go. Very nice. And then get this one out. These are my 3 brand new whiskey glasses. Hoping that they're better than the other ones I was using, but there you go. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone have a good day.